Welcome! This is a brief tutorial to show you how to log in with your credentials that you were provided from 3Village, as well as how to access GoFormative, the application that has your question that you will be answering. So first, go to google.com. If you have a profile icon here showing that you're already logged into a Google account, please choose to sign out of all accounts. It's just easier to sign out of all of them, and if you do not have a Google account signed in already, you will have the blue sign in button here. Click on that blue sign in button, or once you sign out of all accounts, click on the blue sign in button and use your Google credentials that were provided to you to sign in. Once you've done that, you will go to this waffle here, click on the waffle, go to Classroom. You will only have one classroom in your account, this one here, the secondary math. Click on that account, go to classwork, and you will have this math essay 42821 posted. I'm not going to click on that one. I'm going to click on the sample math essay to show you how to use the program that you'll be using, but also know that this tutorial will also be posted here if you need to refer back to the tutorial for any reason. I'm going to go ahead, click on sample math essay, click here. If for some reason it does not open directly in GoFormative, it may prompt you to log in with the credentials that were provided to you again. And your screen will actually look like this. That first screen was a teacher view. This is the view that you will get. Your directions and your question will all be posted here by the number 1. Obviously, this isn't the question, but all of the directions and questions will be here. And to answer the question, you're going to click here on Show Your Work. The question will remain over here, as well as the directions for you to refer to. And then the toolbar that you may want to use is here. So the first thing I want to point out is Text tool. Click on Text, and then click somewhere on the screen, and you are able to type. And you can go on and type. I just want to point out that the word wrapping just kind of keeps going. So at the end of the line, you're going to have to hit Enter and then continue typing on. Once you decide you might want to add a shape, if you require a shape for some reason in your essay, you can go here to the Shapes tools, choose a shape, and draw the shape. And if you wanted to put text next to the shape, you can add text next to the shape as you move along. You don't want to keep hitting Enter here because it just increases the size of your text box. So if you're done typing at this point, and you maybe want to add some mathematical tools, you can go to the square root of x button here, click, and then click somewhere on the screen, and your math tools come up. And maybe you want to do 4 squared, choose the x squared tool. Maybe you decide, hey, I didn't mean to use squared. If you go to the exponent, click up high and backspace, you can change it to a 3. But then to move back down to continue typing, you need to use one of your arrows to come down. And then you could hit the plus sign, 3, and maybe this time you realize you're going to use this tool that lets you choose any exponent to the 4th power, and then again arrow down, and then you can choose an equal sign. Once you have anything that you want to use in this bar, the typing bar, you can add the math. It's here, and you can go on and move it around anywhere you want on the screen. I just want to point out too, my text is rather large. If I hit Control and the wheel on my mouse, I can make things smaller. And then the eraser, if you want to erase something. If you want to delete any text, I just wanted to show you too, actually. You can zoom in and out by clicking. If you wanted to delete any text, You can choose the text tool again and go to an old text box and delete within the text box. Or if you choose the eraser tool, you can kind of wave things away and erase them, and you can also delete an entire text box with that. Once you have your essay complete, all typed up and ready to go, you would click on this blue box with the check mark. And I'm in a teacher view. From here, you will have a blue box here that says submit. Click submit. Another box confirming you want to submit will pop up, and you're good to go. I just want to reiterate, it says it in the directions. Make sure you stick to that time frame that you were given. If you are in the middle of typing and you don't hit submit, time runs out, you will not be able to submit after that designated time. Thank you very much and good luck.